Alright, so far we've made our site with the nav bar and just the hello, this is my site. Now we're going to add a blog. So what I would do is add a folder and we'll call it blog. Alright, and then we're going to add a new file and name that blog.md. And let's make some sample posts. So in our blog folder, let's go new file. And you can either put a date. So let's say like 2020, 14, what's today's date? No, 14, the 13th of the month. So 808, and it is the 14th. So you can have something like that. Oh, I accidentally made a folder. You could put it in folders, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted a file. So let's do new file. And 2020. Forgot the date already. 8 and then 14. The struggle's real over here, guys. Alright, so we got it. And we'll do dash 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 title. This is my new blog. And then under that we will do post or tag, and the tags are going to be post, and that's pretty much all the information we need for now. And hello world is my new blog. Okay, so the other thing we need to do is add a layout. For now we're just going to use a standard layout. We might have to mix it up later on, but let's just do the standard layout for now. So layout, and then layout.liquid. So we save that, and that's our new post. And then on our blog page, we're pretty much going to have it be the same as our index for now. So let's just grab that, copy that, paste it right in here. Oh, let's try that again. Copy. I was using shortcuts. All right, paste. So this is my new set. So this is going to be, this is the blog page. Now we're going to be changing that later, but this is the this is the blog page. There we go. So there it is going to be the blog page. So if I go here now, we'll have that same thing there. And for some reason we don't have the margin there. So let's go see. It should be using the same layout, right? So liquid layout, and I don't have liquid layout there. So let's see what's going on. That should be the same. Grabbing the CSS. So what is happening is when you have a blog MD, it makes a file inside a blog folder, and that folder will have the index.html. And it's writing the styles.css, but now that it's nested, it's no longer just styles.css. It's actually inside the, it should be dash dot slash to go up a folder and then have that styles.css. So to fix that, what we can do is we'll just have a blog layout, and that would be, so let's say blog layout, I guess that's fine, liquid, and eventually we're going to need, I might as well make it now, so article layout, because our articles are going to look a little bit different from the other pages. So blog layout, and it's going to look the same as this one, so we're going to just copy that and paste it into our blog layout, except our styles.css is going to be dot slash. So now if I refresh this, I get nothing because I have to go into my blog MD and change that layout. So let's go blog layout, and now we have two pages. So they look the same even though it's going up a folder for that blog. All right. And now we need to display our post. So we have that one post, and I'm going to make a second one. So I'm going to make a copy, not copy path, copy, and then paste it. And I'm going to rename this. And it's going to be 13. And 13 is going to be, hello world, this is the day before my new blog. The day before the blog. Now the layouts have to be article layout, not liquid. That's the same. This is the day before. Alright, so we'll do it like that. Then change the second one to the same thing, so article layout. So save that. And now we need to somehow show this on this page. And the easiest way to do it is actually, what they do is you can go through and cycle through these posts. So what we need to do is go in our blog page here. And what we are going to do is we're going to loop through these. So we're going to have a curly brace, percent, and inside there we're going to say for post and collections.post, because our tag is called post. And then we're going to have a UL. Oh yeah, we're in the MD, so we got to type that out. So UL, and we're going to close the UL. And inside we have list items. So let's do list item. And we're going to have a link that goes to the actual post. So ahref, and then quotes. Looks like I hit the enter there. And double curly braces when you want to show the data. And what we're going to put in here is post.url. And then we're going to close that A tag. And then we're going to have a dash and then double curly braces post.date, because we want the date of the post. And oh, I forgot, inside this we actually want to have the double curly braces, and we want to have post.data.title. And we want to format this post date. So let's do the line, date, and we can do quotes, and then it's %y, capital Y rather, dash %m, and that's lowercase m, and then dash %d, which is also lowercase. And then you gotta end the quote. And then end your li. So we save that, and then also we need to close the for loop. So curly brace, end for, oh, I forgot my parenthesis, or my percent rather. So let's do %, save, and there it is. Hello, this is my new blog, this is the day before the blog, and this is my new blog. And then we have our 2 dates. If I click it, it takes me to the page, which is empty because the article layout is empty. So let's just quickly copy this in there. So copy, paste, save, and then we will have content. And then we're having the same CSS styles issue here. Let's see what's going on. So it's in a double folder. So their styles are going to have //. Okay. So now if we go blog, this day before the post, blog, this is my new blog. And let's add a button under it. So let's go to our get CSS, which I have to have right here. We will look at the docs, and we want a button. Where are the buttons? Buttons. We want to do a standard link button. So this right here will work. I kind of want to make it like blue, have a little color on it. So let's do BTN's secondary outline on it as well. So let's paste this in here. We'll paste it right on the bottom of the content. And it's not going to be link. It's going to be back to blog. And we got nothing showing up here. So let's see what's going on. This is our blog. There it is, back to blog. And we want to do the color. So it's BTN secondary outline. So let's copy that right into here. Save. And back. So now we can go back to our blog. Well, we can't yet, actually. Gotta put a link in there. And there we go. So now we can go through those both and see them. Now, this linking is a little It's not the best, so we want to edit that style CSS to remove that, which you should be able to do on your own. And then let's make the article page look a little better. They actually have an article section in the Get Paper CSS. So there's articles, and let's translate this. So let's look at this code. We don't really need the comments and discuss on this unless you want to add a discuss, but let's copy that and we're going to paste it in here. This is our layout, and that content can move down to this lorem folder here. And now let's see what we get. So when we look at our blog page now, you're going to see like this super user. So if you wanted the user, you can add it with your blog posts. So say you go back to your, let's see, this is the 14th. I added author Mike here. So now when I go into the article layout, I can actually just write author. So instead of super user there, we'll just say author. And let's see what else is there. There's lead text. Now you don't need to have this stuff, but it's there if you want to. So lead text, and it'll be, let's grab some dummy text real quick. Cupcake apes, I love. Let's generate, and I'm just going to grab a line. So let's grab the first sentence. We make that blurb there. So now in our layout, we have to add that as well. So article title, so this is right here. And we'll put, oh my goodness. And we're putting lead text. And then article title should just be the title, which we already named. Oh, I need caps. And now let's look at our blog. So this is my new blog, written by Mike. There's our lead text. So this is our lead text, and then our regular content is right below. And then we got to take out those buttons. So let's take this row out right here. You can add a discuss, which we don't really need unless you really want to. So there's going to be some quality of life changes to this, but I think this is a good place to stop. And for the next section, we are going to tackle the projects using JSON.